Question 181. What project management methodologies do you find most effective for academic production, and why? I prefer Agile methodologies, specifically Scrum, for academic production management. This approach allows for iterative development and regular feedback from stakeholders. In an academic environment, projects often require flexibility to adapt to changing research needs or curriculum requirements. Regular sprint reviews ensure that the team remains aligned with academic goals while maintaining high-quality deliverables. Furthermore, Agile encourages collaboration among cross-functional teams, which is crucial in academia where diverse expertise is needed. Question 182. How do you ensure that academic content meets both pedagogical standards and technical quality? To ensure academic content meets pedagogical and technical standards, I implement a dual review process. First, I collaborate with subject matter experts to validate the educational integrity. Simultaneously, technical reviewers check for compliance with accessibility and quality standards. This dual approach not only enhances the content's effectiveness, but also ensures it is engaging and accessible to all students. Regular feedback loops during the production process allow for timely adjustments, ensuring that the final product aligns with both academic rigor and technical excellence. Question 183. Describe your experience with continuous integration, continuous deployment, CCD, pipelines in academic projects. I have successfully implemented CCD pipelines in various academic projects, particularly for online learning platforms. By automating testing and deployment processes, I ensure that new features are reliably integrated without disrupting existing functionalities. For example, I use tools like Jenkins and GitLab C to automate builds and run tests, which minimizes human error and accelerates delivery. This approach allows for rapid iteration and feedback, essential in academic settings where course content and materials must be updated frequently. Ultimately, CCD practices enhance the overall efficiency and reliability of academic project delivery. Question 184. Can you provide an example of a challenging troubleshooting scenario you faced in academic production? In one instance, we encountered significant delays in the rollout of an online course due to server downtime during peak registration. I quickly assembled a cross-functional team to troubleshoot the issue, utilizing cloud monitoring tools to identify the root cause. We discovered that a misconfigured auto-scaling feature was causing resource limitations. By promptly updating the configuration and implementing a more robust backup plan, we not only resolved the immediate issue, but also enhanced system resilience for future registrations. This experience underscored the importance of proactive monitoring and contingency planning in academic production. Question 185. How do you prioritize competing projects in a university setting? I prioritize competing projects by assessing their alignment with strategic academic goals, deadlines, and resource availability. I employ a scoring system that evaluates factors such as stakeholder impact, educational value, and urgency. Engaging with department heads and faculty members during this process ensures that I gather diverse perspectives, leading to a more informed prioritization. Additionally, I maintain open communication with teams to manage expectations and negotiate timelines where necessary. This structured approach not only enhances transparency, but also fosters collaboration across departments, enabling us to focus on projects that yield the highest academic benefit. Question 186. What strategies do you use to foster a collaborative culture among production teams? To foster a collaborative culture among production teams, I initiate regular cross-departmental meetings, encouraging open dialogue and idea sharing. I implement collaborative tools like Slack and Trello to facilitate communication and project tracking. Additionally, I promote team building activities that bridge the gap between different disciplines, emphasizing the importance of diverse perspectives in producing high-quality academic content. Recognizing individual contributions through public acknowledgement also motivates team members and reinforces a sense of collective ownership. By creating an inclusive environment, I ensure that all voices are heard, leading to more innovative solutions. Question 187. How do you incorporate user feedback into the academic production cycle? User feedback is integral to refining academic content. I implement structured feedback mechanisms, such as surveys and focus groups, to gather insights from students and faculty. After each course delivery, I analyze this feedback to identify strengths and areas for improvement. I then prioritize changes based on the feedback's impact on learning outcomes. This iterative process allows for continuous enhancement of educational materials. Additionally, I ensure that feedback is communicated back to the production teams, fostering a culture of responsiveness and adaptability. This approach not only improves course quality, but also enhances student satisfaction and engagement. Question 188. What tools do you prefer for managing digital content production in an academic environment? I prefer using content management systems, CMS, like WordPress or Drupal for managing digital content production in academia. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and robust features for collaboration, version control, and accessibility compliance. Additionally, I integrate project management tools like Asana or Monday.com to streamline task assignments and monitor progress. For analytics, I utilize Google Analytics to track user engagement and content performance. This combination of tools facilitates efficient workflows, ensuring that academic content is produced on time while meeting quality and accessibility standards, ultimately enhancing the learning experience. Question 189. Describe how you would approach scaling academic production for a growing online program. To scale academic production for a growing online program, I would first assess current workflows and identify bottlenecks. Implementing automation tools for repetitive tasks would enhance efficiency. I would also recruit additional subject matter experts and instructional designers to support content creation. Developing a clear onboarding process for new team members is crucial to maintain quality. Additionally, I'd leverage cloud-based solutions to ensure resources are scalable and accessible. Establishing a collaborative platform for sharing best practices among faculty members can further enhance content quality. Regularly reviewing performance metrics would help optimize production strategies as the program expands. Question 190. How do you handle conflicts within project teams during academic production? Conflict resolution within project teams requires a proactive and empathetic approach. I facilitate open communication by creating safe spaces for team members to express concerns. By actively listening and understanding different perspectives, I can identify underlying issues. I encourage collaborative problem solving, guiding teams to reach consensus on solutions. If necessary, I mediate discussions to ensure that all voices are respected. Following resolution, I emphasize the importance of learning from conflicts to strengthen team dynamics. This approach not only resolves immediate tensions, but also promotes a culture of transparency and trust, which is vital in academic production. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.